Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 diagnostic tools for Suzuki vehicles in 2022 and 2023. I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video because unfortunately there are fakes, there are clones out there on the market and they can damage your vehicle, so it's really not worth going down that route. But if you use the links in the description below, you are guaranteed to be taken to the genuine and official products. We've got 3 products on display here. Unfortunately, tools for Suzuki are generally quite hard to get hold of. There are other manufacturers where it's very easy and the software is readily available, but for Suzuki vehicles, it is quite a bit difficult, which is why we've only got 3 kits in this particular video. The videos for things like BMW and Mercedes, we always have 5 tools to show, but this is all we can do at the moment. But they're still good tools, so we'll talk through them, and hopefully by the end of this video you might have a better idea about which of these tools is going to be suitable for your needs. It all really depends on the budget, etc. So we'll start with the cheapest and work our way to the most expensive. This is the iCarsoft JP version 2.0 kit. So this covers Japanese vehicles. So yes, it does cover Suzuki, but it also covers things like Toyota, Lexus, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Honda, and any other Japanese vehicles that I've failed to mention. So what will this tool do? Well, this will cover quite a lot actually. It covers all of the main systems, things like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, and whatever other systems that may be installed into a vehicle. So it differs from vehicle to vehicle, but you might have things like power steering systems or air conditioning systems, HVACs, air suspension, things which are really specific to that particular vehicle depending on how the car was optioned at the factory. So generally it'll cover all of the systems that are installed to the vehicle though. Not only that, it will do service resets as well. So if you've got a service light on, you've got a message to say service maintenance, service interval, or service now, something like that, then this tool will reset that message as well. And also, it has a good range of special functions. Now, the special functions I'm going to tell you about right now, they do really depend on the vehicle. So if you are interested in the tool for one of these functions, then what I'll say is use the email. I'll pop an email address in the description below this video. Please use that email to double check as to whether the tool is going to be suitable or not. So just send along your vehicle information, what function you're looking to get out of the tool, and if possible, the VIN number as well. But the additional service functions that this tool includes is the DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, and brake bleeding. Again though, double check, use the email address. You get free lifetime updates with this tool as well. Okay, so that's the iCarsoft JP version 2.0. The next tool is the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. So this tool, you'll also get free lifetime updates with this. This has been a really popular tool over the past couple of years. This tool will do everything that this tool will do, but this tool will also do it on other manufacturers as well. So whereas this just covers the Japanese region, this covers like the European market and the American market as well. So let's say you've got a Nissan or a Suzuki or something like that in your on your driveway, but you've also got like a Mercedes or a BMW or Vauxhall, VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, etc., Volvo, something like that. This tool will do the same as this, but it will cover all manufacturers. So it might be worth looking at this if you've got one eye on the future. Maybe you're going to change the car soon, or you've got a few different vehicles that you want to be able to look after. Then this is a good option. So that's the CR Pro. We then move on to the iCarsoft CR Max kit. Now this tool will do everything that these tools will do. Again, it covers all of the systems we talked about in these tools. It covers all of the manufacturers we talked about in these tools, but this is a tablet-based kit, and it's built on a completely different platform to these. So this covers way newer vehicles than these will, and it also has additional service functions. So it covers things like actuation tests, it does suspension calibrations, gearbox adaptions, and other engine adaptions, a lot of different adaptions when you're installing new components to a vehicle. So this will be good for that. But again, no, it really depends on the vehicle. So use the email address, include the VIN number or the vehicle details, and double check that way before you make a purchase. But ultimately though, if you wanted to sort of go down the route of just diagnosing a vehicle for the main systems like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, etc., then all of these tools are going to be good. You probably won't even need to double check, but it's entirely up to you if you want to do that. Good thing about this kit is it comes with free lifetime updates, as do these, but the rival to this tool, which is the Autel MK808, it costs £150 more, and the updates for the Autel tool cost about £130 per year. Updates for this tool are free for life, so you'll always get updates. So with these tools, once you've paid for the tool, there's nothing else to pay, which is a really, really good thing, and definitely an advantage of the iCarsoft tools. Okay, so that is about it. Remember, if you are interested in any of these tools, please use the links in the description below this video, because unfortunately fakes and clones do exist and they can damage your vehicle. That's about it. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you found the right tool for your specific needs and budget with the information in this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.